Spiritual cleansing with food, nourishing your body and soul. Welcome back, dear viewers. Today, we have a truly enlightening topic that combines the essence of nourishing your body and soul. We'll be diving into the concept of spiritual cleansing with food. I'm your host, and I'm excited to embark on this transformative journey with you. So, let's get started. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. Number 1. Connection between food and spirituality. The profound connection between what we eat and our spiritual well-being has been acknowledged by our ancestors and is prevalent in spiritual traditions worldwide. Mindful eating and choosing the right foods play a crucial role in this aspect. When we consume food mindfully, we cultivate a deeper connection with the nourishment it provides, fostering gratitude and appreciation for the life force within it. Pure and natural foods, such as fresh produce and whole grains, carry higher vibrational energy, resonating with our bodies and souls. Vegan and plant-based diets, rooted in compassion for all living beings, promote harmony with nature and contribute positively to our spiritual growth. Fasting and detoxification further aid in cleansing our physical and emotional beings, leaving us feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Incorporating rituals and blessings into meals infuses them with spiritual energy, reminding us of the sacredness of food. By cooking with love and intention, we transfer positive energy to the food we consume, nourishing not just our bodies, but also our souls. Embracing these practices allows us to elevate our consciousness and lead more spiritually fulfilling lives. Number 2. Mindful eating. Mindful eating serves as the cornerstone for spiritual cleansing through food, encompassing the practice of wholeheartedly engaging with our meals. By being fully present during the eating process, we consciously savor each bite, immersing ourselves in the sensory experience. This mindfulness extends beyond taste alone. It involves acknowledging the journey of the food from seed to table and expressing profound gratitude for the nourishment it bestows upon us. Through this heightened awareness, we develop a deeper connection with the life force inherent in the food, recognizing its vital role in sustaining our bodies and souls. As we embrace mindful eating, we unlock a profound appreciation for the interconnectedness of our inner selves with the outer world, fostering a sense of harmony and unity. This mindful approach to nourishment not only promotes physical health, but also nourishes our spiritual well-being, allowing us to transform each meal into a sacred and transformative experience. In this way, mindful eating becomes a powerful conduit for spiritual growth and a path towards a more conscious and enlightened existence. Number 3. Pure and natural foods. To elevate our spiritual well-being, embracing pure and natural foods becomes imperative. The inherent vibrational energy found in fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and organic produce offers a profound impact on our consciousness. By partaking in these nourishing choices, we not only provide sustenance to our physical bodies, but also align ourselves with the harmonious energies of the earth. These foods, untainted by artificial additives and chemicals, resonate with the natural rhythms of the planet, fostering a deeper connection with nature. As we consume them, we absorb their life-affirming essence, fueling not just our physical vitality, but also nurturing our souls. The act of consciously choosing and ingesting such wholesome foods becomes a transformative practice, imbuing us with a sense of unity and balance, and reminding us of our interconnectedness with the world around us. In harmonizing our diets with the Earth's bounty, we open ourselves to higher states of awareness and a more spiritually enriching existence. Number 4. Vegan and plant-based diets. Adopting a vegan or plant-based diet represents a profound pathway to spiritual cleansing through food, rooted in compassion for all living beings and a deep appreciation for the harmony of nature. By abstaining from animal products, we extend our empathy to sentient creatures, recognizing the interconnectedness of all life forms. This conscious choice aligns with our soul's yearning to contribute positively to the world, promoting ethical and sustainable practices that honor the sanctity of life. Embracing a vegan or plant-based lifestyle is a transformative act of love, as it not only nourishes our bodies with nutrient-rich plant-derived foods, but also nourishes our spirits by promoting a sense of unity and interconnectedness with the web of life. By walking this path, we embrace our role as compassionate stewards of the earth, making a meaningful impact on the well-being of our planet and cultivating a higher state of consciousness that extends beyond ourselves, reaching far and wide to the benefit of all beings. Number 5. Fasting and detoxification. Fasting, a time-honored practice embraced by spiritual seekers throughout the ages, holds profound potential for purifying both the body and mind. Whether through intermittent fasting or more extended detoxification periods, this ancient tradition unlocks the ability to release not only physical impurities but also emotional toxins, resulting in a revitalization of our being on both the physical and spiritual planes. By abstaining from food for a designated period, our bodies initiate a transformative healing process, deeply cleansing and rejuvenating our internal systems. Remarkably, fasting simultaneously provides a gateway to self-reflection, as the absence of sustenance fosters mental clarity and heightened awareness, enabling us to delve into the depths of our inner selves. In the process of letting go of our attachment to nourishment, we experience a profound sense of liberation, transcending the limitations of the material world and establishing a profound connection with our spiritual essence. This act of self-discipline and surrender unlocks a deeper understanding of our relationship with food, the universe, and ultimately, ourselves. Embracing the sacred journey of fasting, we emerge with a renewed sense of purpose and a purified body and mind, poised and ready to confront life's challenges with newfound clarity and spiritual refreshment, bearing the fruits of enlightenment and spiritual growth that this transformative practice bestows upon us. Number 6. Rituals and blessings. Incorporating rituals and blessings into our meals is a transformative act that imbues our dining experiences with profound spiritual energy. Across diverse cultures, a multitude of pre- and post-meal rituals, such as offering prayers or expressing gratitude, exemplify the sacredness of food and its significance beyond mere sustenance. By engaging in these practices, we create a sacred space around our meals, allowing us to connect with our deeper selves and the divine essence within us. These rituals serve as gentle reminders of the interconnectedness of all life and the interconnectedness of the act of nourishing our bodies with the universal flow of energy. The conscious intention and appreciation infused into each bite transcend the material realm, elevating our mealtime into a sacred communion with the divine. As we engage in these meaningful traditions, we cultivate a sense of mindfulness, presence, and reverence, fostering a profound understanding of the nourishing power of food, not just for our physical bodies, but for our souls as well. Through these sacred practices, our dining becomes a spiritual journey, allowing us to transcend the mundane and embrace the divine within and around us. Number 7. Cooking with love. Cooking with love and intention has the extraordinary power to elevate a humble meal into a deeply spiritual encounter. As we infuse our culinary creations with positive energy and good intentions, we imbue the food with this sacred essence. The act of cooking becomes a transformative practice as our emotions and intentions transfer to the ingredients, stirring a profound connection between the nourishment we prepare and our own spiritual being. When we consume such food, we ingest not just physical sustenance, but also the loving energy with which it was crafted, nourishing our bodies and souls alike. This mindful approach to cooking ignites a heightened sense of presence and reverence, turning ordinary meals into an opportunity for self-discovery and inner nourishment. The preparation becomes an act of love, and the feast, a spiritual communion that nourishes far beyond the physical realm, leaving us with a profound sense of gratitude and fulfillment. As we conclude this journey into spiritual cleansing with food, remember that the act of eating is not merely about satisfying our physical hunger. It can also be a deeply transformative and enriching experience for our souls. By choosing mindfully, eating pure and natural foods, adopting conscious diets, fasting, and infusing rituals with our meals, we can nourish both our bodies and spirits. So let's embrace the power of food to elevate our consciousness and lead more spiritually fulfilling lives. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, take care and be mindful. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content. Share your thoughts and experiences with spiritual cleansing through food in the comments below. Remember to nourish your body and soul and stay connected on our journey of growth and transformation. See you soon.